I'm Ashley Seide, and this is Garrod Estates. Three reasons why someone will buy this property is for the views, privacy, and the neighborhood. When you come down the private road, turn into your driveway, look at this view. It's mind-blowing. You're transported to Tuscany, the rolling hills. You can even have your own vineyard right here. It's a short drive to Silicon Valley. You're only minutes away from some of the top headquarters in Silicon Valley. As you know, Saratoga is one of the most sought-after towns. I mean, who doesn't love Saratoga Village? We're in the final stages with the City of Saratoga to finalize our building permits for a beautiful property here with a pool overlooking the view, a 3-car garage, and over 5,000 square foot of living spaces with a modern and wooden eclectic feel of European. So the buyer has the opportunity to finalize their finishes, their appliances, any minor changes they'd want to make.